Hey everyone! So ayan, meron tayong package na dumating ngayon lang. And I decided to vlog this because this package is from Careline, Philippines. So thank you so much Careline for sending me your PR kit. So ayan, open na natin and let's check out kung ano ba yung laman ng PR kit nila. And sorry guys if magulo pa yung buhok ko kasi kakatapos ko lang mag-set up nung PC ko. Actually, hindi ko pa nasa-set up yung pangalawang monitor, but dalawa yung monitor nun. And I think mamaya or tomorrow ko itutuloy yung pag-set up. But for now, tinawag ako ng lola ko sa baba and dumating na yung package ko from Careline. So, let's check it out guys. Sobrang excited na ako. And again, wag niyo na lang pansinin yung buhok ko kasi sobrang haggard ko talaga ngayon. Kakaayos ng setup ko. Wow, ang ganda. Wow. Wow, ang ganda. This is their Careline skin. And finally, Careline already released their newest skincare. So, ayan yung itsura nila. Sobrang ganda and super excited na ako i-open. Ang ganda rin ng packaging. Ano siya? Ombre. Ayan guys, yung Careline skin. Ayan, so let's unbox the Careline skincare. So let's open it. Wow, ang ganda. So ayan, this skincare is a new released one. Meron tayo ditong Skin Hero set. I think this is their skincare set. And we have the peeling solution. Ito, I think this is exfoliator. And we also have acne drying lotion. So, if you had acne, sakto meron ako. And lastly is the lip balm. Super excited to check out for my review soon. Bye! And then, itong consistency is papahid natin dito sa hair.
Missing someone.